Good morning, everybody. Today is the first official day of my vlog. So, Instagram world, YouTube world, Facebook world, I invite you to come with me to start our dailies. Now today, I am practicing what is called doing your dailies. Now, I am no expert. As you can tell, I'm walking in very, very cold weather. But I have been learning that your dailies are very important to the success of your happiness, of your day, of your health, of your wealth. So, I am practicing. My dailies consist of walking for 15 minutes and stopping wherever I am, gratitude bombing, which basically means in the moment, whatever I see, say out loud that I am thankful for, whatever that is. After I do that, I read 10 pages in a book, and then I start working on my business for no more than 2 hours. What I've done in completing my dailies is first I have walked outside, I have gotten some fresh air because being cooped up in the house is not healthy for anybody. I have gratitude bombed, which means I have gotten out all of the depression. I have only put in good thoughts in my head. Then I have read a good book. I don't have it with me right now because it's so cold, but I'm gonna go back inside and I'm gonna read it. And then I have completed 2 hours of my business. That has literally completed everything possible to keep me successful. Now that I'm safely inside and also very warm, I'm going to now complete 10 pages of the book Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk. I am super excited to finish this book. Well, that's the end of today's vlog, everyone. I'm really happy that you were able to come with me on that walk to introduce you to my dailies. I hope everyone has a great day.